If you're deciding between a gas or an electric trimmer for your lawn, I've got both and I'm going to show you exactly how they stack up. I'm going to compare residential lawn trimmers. For the gas trimmer, I have a Stihl FS 38, and for the electric battery-powered lawn trimmer, I have the Stihl FSA 60R. I would say the gas trimmer is heavier. Got a lot of weight here because your engine's here at one end. The head is not very heavy, but you're going to be holding it with your good arm, but it is a little bit heavier, and also there is some shaking going on. So I notice myself, I get some vibration in my arm even after I'm done trimming. As for the battery powered trimmer, you have weight here because the battery's here, but you also have weight on the head because this is where the motor is. But together it's somewhat balanced out, and you can adjust this handle to your liking so that you can help balance out your trimmer. That makes it easier for you to operate. And there is no shaking with the electric trimmer. Also, I find the electric trimmer a lot easier to maneuver. Now for starting the gas trimmer, well, you have to pull start it, right? You got to pump the primer bulb, you got to adjust your choke, and then pull till it starts. There's a lot of work involved with a gas trimmer. As for the electric trimmer, you just press these triggers here, press that in. It's ready to go instantly. Don't even have to try and start it. And you don't have to worry about it not starting. Now for power output, the gas trimmer is probably going to win there. Although the electric trimmer does have good power for regular grass, when you get into thicker stuff like weeds, the gas trimmer is going to win out for sure. And for noise levels, well, the gas trimmer loses for sure because this thing is noisy compared to the electric trimmer. Much easier on the ears. What are the pros of a gas trimmer? Well, you somewhat got more power, there's no battery limit, and it's ideal for big jobs. The cons are it's heavy, noisy, and needs more upkeep. Now for the battery-powered Stihl lawn trimmer, let's look at the pros and cons. The pros are it's quiet, lightweight, easy to start, and very low maintenance. The cons, it has limited battery life and apparently less power for tough jobs. That's what they say. But when I show you doing the heavy weeds and grass on that dirt mound I had over there, I don't think the electric trimmer was slackened at all. I thought it kept right up with the gas trimmer. And some of those weeds were thick as my finger. So does it have less power? I don't know. Now I have 8.5 acres here, but I only cut and trim maybe 1.5 acres. And that battery lasts me the whole time. I can go around the whole lawn doing all the trimming with one charge, less than one charge. I still have battery life when I'm done. Now, this Stihl comes with a AK20 battery, lithium battery. There is an AK10, and I believe there's an AK30. I went with the middle ground because my yard is pretty large. Now, if you just have a residential lot, In a subdivision, you're probably not going to need the AK-20. The AK-10 will be sufficient enough. And also, a gas-powered trimmer is a lot noisier in a subdivision. Now, I've had the gas-powered trimmer for 8 years, and it's done a good job for me. I recently bought the battery-powered FSA 60 here, and I've trimmed my lawn maybe 4 times with it so far. I prefer the electric trimmer over the gas-powered trimmer any day, even with the amount of property I have. If you have a gas trimmer or a battery-powered trimmer, which trimmer would you go with, gas or electric? Let me know down in the comments. Now, if you have a gas or battery-powered trimmer, I'll leave a playlist right here where you can go check out any repair or maintenance videos for trimmers. By the way, my name is Roland. If you like this sort of content, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.